Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and if it's your first time to come here on this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to click the tiny bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here on this channel. Today I will be sharing to you guys my everyday makeup routine. So, ang tagal ko pinag-isipan kung gagawin ko ba itong video na to. Some of you suggested or requested that I should do this video. Pero yun nga, parang hindi siya worth it na gawin na video. Kasi super duper simple lang guys ang routine ko. But if you are a simple girl who loves simple makeup, just like me, I guess this video is just for you. Kasi sobrang simple lang na mga ginamit ko. Yung mga halos ang bibili lang lahat dyan sa mga drugstore. So, without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Before I start putting on my makeup, I usually put on my moisturizer. This is the Aqua Moisturizing Whitening Vita, and I am just applying generously on my skin to moisturize it. And after that, I use this iWhite BBholic BB cream, and I put it under my eyes and sa mga blemishes ko and sa buong face ko actually. And then I just blend it with the paddle brush that I got from Lazada. I will put the link down below if you're interested to buy that kind of foundation brush. And of course, I am just blending. We are blending the BB cream para wala masyadong creases o walang crease. We are after a flawless look. And after that, with the Nichido, I'm just baking it, and of course, I put something on my eyes. Baking it under my eyes and sa buong face actually, kasi ma-oily yung skin ko, kaya I need to put on a lot of powder sa mga oily parts ng aking face. And as a brows, I usually use the eyeshadow from Maybelline, the darkest one. That is the one that I use to line my brows. And of course, I am using an angled brush. This one is, I guess, from MAC. And I just fill in the sparse area para magkaroon tayo ng kilay goals, para hindi tayo mukhang alien. Dapat meron tayong on fleek. Hindi naman masyadong on fleek kasi everyday makeup lang naman to. But yeah, mas maganda yung maayos na kilay. I am just brushing and combing my brows with the use of the comb with the spoolie that I got from Magic Department Store. Kung saan-saan lang yan available guys. Kaya I am just after the spoolie. Yun lang ang kailangan ko dyan. And of course, I brush off yung mga foundation or yung powder na excess ng Nichido, yung mga hindi kumapit sa skin. And of course, para ma-blend na rin, para wala tayong mga puti-puti na nabubuo sa face. With the Rimmel London mascara, this is the new one on my collection, and I'm just putting it on my lashes para mag-spread and medyo kumapal ang ating lashes. And of course, let us not forget the under eye lash natin para din magmukha tayong ganyan. And of course, we have our Lancome na blush. And I'm just topping off the excess and just apply it on my cheekbone, papunta sa medyo temple ko. To finish everything, ito na, ang favorite ko na product is the Nichido HD lipstick in the shade Rouge Blossom. I made a review of this product guys. I will put the link down below or in the I button. Just click on that I button para makita nyo. And that's it. That is my everyday makeup look.